Hey guys, it's Lily here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this pearl slime. And so yeah, let's get started. So what you'll need is Tide laundry detergent, clear glue, hot water, and some baking soda. So first you would put in some clear glue, as much as you would like, and then you would put some of the laundry detergent in. And then you put some baking soda into hot water, and I've already done it. It's in this bowl. And just pour just a tiny bit in. And then mix it around. If you would like it to be sticky, you'll just have to stop the first time. If you don't, you have to keep on doing it. So then you'll just add more if you don't want it to be sticky. And more of this. And mix it. And so I want it to be kind of sticky, so I'd probably stop right now. So it will be a little soapy if you add too much like I did, but if you don't want it to be soapy like I do not want it, just don't add too much. So this is what it looks like. I might mix it more after the video. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye. So I'm just gonna play around with it.